Hello everyone! Here is our video guide for our carpentry lesson module number 1. This is an exploratory course in grade 8 Technology and Livelihood Education. TLE for students to identify, request, and receive appropriate construction materials and tools needed. Don't forget to listen attentively. To know more about preparing materials and tools, if in case there is something you don't understand, you may replay this. I know that you are excited because this is our first lesson in carpentry. You know that carpentry is very interesting subject. I know that you are excited because this is our first lesson in carpentry. Carpentry is an interesting subject. Welcome to our carpentry class for grade 8. Module number 1. Prepare construction materials and tools. Our objectives for today's lesson are the following. Identify the materials applicable to a specific construction job. Give the uses of the different materials. Assume responsibilities in taking care of the carpentry materials. This refers to the subject of technology and livelihood education of K-12, which is skilled trade where the primary task is to cut, shape, and install building materials. Carpentry. Carpentry is the art of shaping and assembling structural woodwork. Are you ready? Let's define. Bill. Bill is a statement of payment due to goods and services. Damage. Damage, a destruction, injury, or harm to a person or thing. Job. Job, a piece of work of a definite extent or character for a set of P. Materials. Materials, a stuff upon which a thing is made. Quantity. A number, amount in size. Requisition. Requisition is an act of requiring something to be furnished. A written request for something authorized but not made available automatically. Tools. Tools is a simple implement as a hammer, saw, and spade, chisel, etc. used in work. Let's determine how much you already know about identifying materials and tools applicable to a specific construction job. Let's do it. Directions. Select the best answer for the choices given. Number 1. Object used as a part of components of project. A. Tools. B. Material. C. Equipment. D. Hardware. Number 2. Implements manipulated by the hand to facilitate carpentry works. A. Tools. B. Materials. C. Equipment. D. Hardware. Number 3. List 3 familiar carpentry tools in your house. Number 4. List 3 construction materials in your house. And number 5. List 3 hardware used in your house. Take this test. Write your answer in your answer sheet. I will give you 2 minutes to do the test. Timer starts now. Read the question and answer it honestly. The result of this will measure how much you know about carpentry. One minute and 30 seconds. Last 1 minute. Thirty seconds. Okay, time is up. Pencils up. Let's check your answer. Answer for number 1 and 2. For number 1, the answer is materials. For number 2, the answer is tools. For number 3, 4, and 5, in any order, the answers are. If you answer hammer, pull push rule, chisel, saw, plane, tri-square, if you can answer that, very good. For number 4, cement, sand, gravel, water, if you can answer that, very good again. And for number 5, the answer is galvanized iron wire, galvanized iron sheet, lumber, steel bar. If you can answer that, very good. Good performance, learners.
Goodbye, learners. Thank you for watching. See you again.
Thank you, learners. See you next meeting.